Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Stacy and today I'm going to take Astro on a little hike. We're going on a flat trail. Just wanted to go there to practice some recall and just get some morning energy, crazy puppy energy out. Astro is currently under his cot. He always loves to lay under here. I'm just gonna bring you along on our little hike today. He has failed his recall once or twice at that specific trail. I really wanted to work on that so we can improve his recall. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get on with the video. I need to pack some treats for our little adventure today. I already fed him half a cup of kibble for breakfast, and this is just the rest of his kibble. I'm just putting everything in my fanny pack. I also love to use Baby Bell cheese as his recall treat. He goes crazy for these mozzarella baby cheese. This is just like our treat Astro station right here. I'll probably bring Box Bakery and of course the Wild Weenies, Stella and Chewies. I just have this water bottle all filled up with ice, so we'll have nice cold water. One thing I really do love about this water bottle is that it comes with a pet bowl attachment at the bottom. Astro and I are both able to use this water bottle. I don't need to carry an extra water bottle around just for him. It's great. I absolutely love this. We got it from Costco, but I can probably find a link if you are looking for this specific one, and I can put it in the link below. Thank you. Thank you. The seatbelt's on the other side. Look at that booty. God damn. I tied my hair back because I'm already starting to sweat for just putting Astro in the car. But Astro's all buckled in. I did take one of your suggestions of buckling him in with his harness rather than using his collar. So that's what we did. Thank you for the suggestion. We bought this separate seat cover. I'm gonna make a whole separate video about the seat cover and how we are training him to stay in the seat cover and sit in the seat cover. Now I'm just gonna drive to the trail and we're gonna have so much fun. It's currently 80 something degrees right now. Should have went earlier at like 7 a.m. It's 9:40 right now, but I think we'll be a-okay. We just got here. Astro is whining again. I have my hair up because it's super hot. I can't get it. Anything on my neck. I'm ready. Astro, are you ready? Yeah, he's ready. We have Astro's long lead on. Yeah, we're gonna go now on this lake over there, but it said no dogs allowed, and I want to respect that. I'm just gonna have him explore the environment. I have two main things that I really want to work on today during this hike. The first thing is his recall, and then the second thing is just doing some sit and down stays. I'm going to let him sniff around, be a dog for a good 10-15 minutes, let him do his own thing. I want to make sure that his needs are met first before I expect him to respond to my recall. It's absolutely beautiful out here, and it's shaded too, so that's good. Yes. And then every time he does a check-in on his own, I will reward him. Good. Free. Should I go this way or this way? This looks like it has more shade. Oh yeah, the shade feels so nice. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Astro! Yes! Good boy. Good boy. Free. I'm just very thankful for Astro. He is truly the best, one of the best dogs that I could ever have. So thankful to have such, like, have this opportunity. Oh my god, there's a bug. Good boy. Good job. So I stopped, that means he stops and he comes over to me. Yes, good boy. Good job. Free. I stopped again. I'm gonna go backwards and see what he does. Shoot, I almost tripped. Yes! Good boy. Here you go. Free. Good boy. Yes. I'm gonna take your leash off. You're really good. Astro. Yes. Free. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Free. Don't mind the sweat towel. Developed a heat rash on my neck and a little bits of my shoulder from just walking so much. You can probably already tell I sweat a lot. I think I have hyperhidrosis. It's finally starting to go away. Astro! Yes! Good boy! Good job, meesters. Good boy. Free! Astro's just running his heart out right now. Babas! Good boy! Hello! Good job, misters. Can you chew, please? Thank you. Free. Good boy. Good boy. Are you having so much fun? You're running your heart out. Yes. Good boy. Here you go. Ah, gentle. That was not gentle. I stand still and see what he does. Good boy. Good job, misters. Whoa! Let's see him jump over this. Astro, come! Yes! Good job. Good job, meesters. Hey, free? He's a crazy butt. Come on, Babas. Aya! Just body slammed right into me. Astro. Good boy. Sit. Good job. Good boy. Hey. Free. This is my first time on this trail, so hopefully I won't get lost. I can't even describe how beautiful it looked. The camera can't even capture how beautiful it is. Good boy. We're just working on some downstays. It's important to incorporate down and sit stays into either your walk or hike. Good boy. And we've been doing this for about 2 minutes now. Free. Good boy. There are so many different types of plants here. Hi! I'm just showing them the different types of plants, and you're just gonna pee right where I was showing them. Great. I wonder what he would do with this one. Oh, we're gonna go around it? I guess we're going around it. We are taking a little water break right now. Yours? Good boy. Free. Astro, sit. Good. Down. Good job. Another down stay.
Hi, baby.
Hello.
Better.
According to his collar, his 5 GPS collar, we've been here for about 45 minutes and we walked 1.4 miles. We're just gonna go ahead and head back now because it is so hot. I don't want him to get heat exhaustion. We still have about 1.5 miles-ish to walk back. His physical needs are going to be met today, that's for sure. I'm really happy that I came somewhere new. I got out of my comfort zone. Usually not really good at doing things alone. I'm super happy. I think Astro is super happy. He's checking in on his own. Good boy. Yes. Good job. Here you go. Said this in our last hiking video. If you want your dog to be off leash and you want them to respond to your recall, you want them to check in with you automatically, every single time your dog offers that behavior on their own, you heavily reward them. Good boy, Astro. Here you go. Thanks for checking in. Okay, free. Don't forget to add a release word. My release word is FREE, free. I'm gonna try to capture when he checks in on his own. Yes. Good boy. Oh, I didn't recall him over here. Good boy. He'll start to remember, oh, if I check in on my own, if I look at mom during our hike, like the way he is right now, yes, good boy, I get a good treat. Huh? Good boy, free. He is again checking on his own. He's like, why aren't you moving? So I'm just standing still and talking to you all. So he just stays by my side until I keep moving. He doesn't really go too far, which I'm very thankful for. I've heard this about Australian Shepherds. They always want to stick by your side, so he won't go too far. Right, Bubbas? Yes. Good boy. The one thing I really love about coming into the woods is that no one is really here. There were only 2 cars in the parking lot, including my car, so I don't really have to worry about... Bubbas, don't drink it! He's really trying to drink this water right now, which I really don't want him to do, so I'm gonna give him water. Yours? Not from the spout, you little poop head. So what I was saying earlier is that there's not really anyone here in the woods with us. I haven't seen a single person yet. We've only been hearing birds, only been seeing squirrels. If you really want to practice your dog being off leash, your dog being able to respond to recall on command, I recommend going inside the woods, finding a trail so that you're alone. You can practice this with your dog with distractions of animals, different types of noises that the woods usually make. Plus, it's really beautiful for you to see. I can't even describe how beautiful this looks right now. Good boy. Good check-in, misters. Good job. Free. I'm able to say this because I have such a supportive partner. Honestly, if it weren't for my partner, I wouldn't be able to be out in the woods like this 10 in the morning. Because of him, I'm able to go on a hike with Astro in the morning and pursue my dreams of being a content creator. Thank you, honey, for everything that you do for me and Astro. I'm gonna back up. Good boy. Good job, misters. Here you go. Good boy. Yes. Good job, misters. Good. Good boy. Free.
It's like fully out.